Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you change your username in GoCardless. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do this, you just simply have to open any of your browser and open GoCardless.com and log in your account into there. And after logging your account in this GoCardless.com, you will get this gear icon. Tap into that gear icon, and after tapping in there, you will get to see this user settings option. Tap to user settings, and after that, you will get your name at very first. Tap into your name which you want to change, either the first name or last name or both. Just simply erase the name as you want, and after that, this Save Changes button will be available. Tap into Save Changes, and after tapping into there, your new name will successfully be saved. This way, you can very easily change your username into GoCardless. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.